Hey guys, this episode is part of the AQA IGCSE specification including core and higher content. Today we'll be focusing on the rules of BODMAS. Now, BODMAS stands for brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, where orders refers to powers and roots such as square root of x or x squared or cube root of x and so on. The order of operations in BODMAS is the order in which operations should be carried out. So first we should solve for brackets, then orders, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So let's try out a question. Here is the BODMAS order. So first it says that we solve for brackets. The only bracket we have over here is the 4 times 3. 4 times 3 gives us 12. So 1 plus 4 times 3, which is 12, divided by 12 minus the square root of 16. The next step is orders. Orders are roots and powers. So root 16, we solve that now. Root 16 is just 4, so 1 plus 12 over 12 minus 4. Next is division. So 12 divided by 12, that's the only division we have over here, and that gives us 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 4. 1, then addition, 1 plus 1 gives us 2, and finally subtraction. 2 minus 4 gives us minus 2, and that is our final answer. Now let's try a question that's a tiny bit harder. So first we solve for brackets. There's two brackets that we have in this equation, this one and this one. So let's solve both the brackets. So let's do the bottom bracket quickly because it's just addition. So 4 plus 2 gives us 6. So the equation is 12 times 4 squared over 8 minus 12 divided by 6. Now let's solve the top bracket. First, we solve orders. And when you have a bracket, you solve the entire bracket before moving on to the next operation. So, orders. 4 squared gives us 16. So, it's going to be 12 times 16 divided by 8 minus 12. And the whole thing divided by 6. Now the next step is division. So 16 divided by 8 gives us 2. So we're left with 12 times 2 minus 12 over 6. Let me just add the brackets. Okay, and next we do multiplication. So, and that's 12 times 2. 12 times 2 gives us 24. So 24 minus 12 divided by 6 in brackets. Now we still have to finish the entire bracket. So 24 minus 12 just gives us 12. And now we only have one operation left, and that's 12 divided by 6. So we solve 12 divided by 6, and that just gives us 2. So 12 divided by 6 gives us 2, and that is our final answer. Now pause the video and try out this question. Okay, so let's write down the BODMAS order. So we have brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. And we go down. So first we solve the brackets. So there's this one big bracket down here, and it has a smaller bracket inside of it. So to solve the entire bracket, we need to solve the smaller bracket first. So in the smaller bracket, we only have addition and subtraction, and as addition comes first, 420 divided by 5 times. As addition comes first, we do 8 plus 12, which gives us 20, and then subtract 6. And 20 minus 6 gives us 14. So 420 divided by 5 times 14 plus 3. Now we do multiplication in the bottom bracket. So 420 divided by 5 times 14, which gives us 70 plus 3, which gives us 420 divided by 70 plus 3, which is 73. So that is our final answer. And that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. Like if you learned something new, subscribe for more IGCSE content. Thank you.